Welcome to another All About RVs. We're going to take a look at a brand new 2019 Forestriver Hemisphere GXL. This is the new 378FL model. It's a front living room with a rear master bed and a bunk loft area over top. We'll take a few minutes to walk you around the outside and inside of this coach. On the front of the camper you have a nice fiberglass cap. This is rounded for better aerodynamics and also kind of notched back for a little bit better turning radius on short bed trucks. It does have an LED light strip built in on the corners here, one on each side. You have a standard fifth wheel pin box here, which you can upgrade aftermarket to like a More Ride or Trail Air if you want to. This is the Lippert 1621 pin box number. Spare tires mounted underneath the front section here. One of the batteries goes in that area, and then there's another spot on the side. A little bit of storage area up here though. Electric front stabilizers with the quick pull pins, and it has the control for that right there. The front slide outs are the Schwintek electric slide system. And then you have individual slide motors for all the rooms. Nice size pass-through storage here. Cap light switch, light for in the storage area, battery disconnect. This one was ordered with the upgraded residential fridge, so it has the inverter system built in here. It's got the upgraded slam lock baggage door. Has two outdoor speakers. That is the second battery area. And then solar prep right here. The unit has two entry doors, one going straight up into the kitchen area, and then to the right is the front living room section. The second door goes into the back hallway area. Got a nice power awning. It comes out. It does have the LED light strip built in. This unit was ordered with two air conditioners on the top. Those are both ducted, and both larger 15,000 ACs on this particular unit. Got aluminum wheels, 16-inch tires. I'll go over the specs when we get around to that side. Back door also has the upgraded solid step that comes down and touches the ground. A lot of brands just do the front and not the rear door. You could see the straight line roof where a lot of them slope down toward the rear, but because they did the loft up top, it has a straight line roof system. It is a walk-on roof, so you can get up there and walk around. The back area here to do this loft section has a drop frame, so the frame actually comes down a little bit lower on the rear side, where some of them do a drop frame in the front. That allows them to keep the back taller and make room for the loft up there. You have power stabilizer jacks on the rear. Just basically push a button right here. The optional ladder here to get up on the roof. Typical 4-inch square tube bumper, flat fiberglass rear wall. Has a real nice arch to the roof line up there for better water runoff, and also give an extra height in the bunk area there just to try and make it a little taller there. It's pre-wired for a backup camera up there if you wanted to add a backup camera to it. Rear slide area here for the master bedroom. The camper does have an enclosed underbelly standard on it. We did actually order this particular coach with the extreme weather insulation package, which gives you an extra layer of astrofoil insulation in the roof and floor and takes it to an R38 equivalent, they say. Power cord attaches to the outlet right here behind the tires. Basically detachable power cord, 50 amp electric service. It's about a 25-foot cord roughly. Furnace exhaust comes out right there. Stove exhaust up there on the slide, the little black thing. 10-gallon gas electric water heater option in place of the 6. Docking station there with your hot and cold outside shower and your battery disconnect and stuff all right there. Down below you can see the dump area right underneath of there. It's got your gray and black tank handles. You can also see the underbelly section here. Two 30-pound propane tanks, standard on the coach, auto changeover regulator, or you can rotate it around. Basically when it's red it's empty, when it's green it's got pressure on it. Here is the sticker with the info on when the camper was built and VIN numbers and stuff like that. Basically two 6,000-pound axles. They are 235 80R16 E-range tires. Gross vehicle weight is 14,140. That is the most you can load the camper to before you possibly damage it. You can also see up top there the radio antenna sticking straight up and the TV antenna that is also up there. That just kind of rotates around now. They don't crank up and down anymore like the old style. On the front pen box and also usually by the entry door, they'll give you a dry weight sticker. This particular camper, the way it sits, 12,068 pounds. Now, I get a lot of questions about how's that possible when it's got 6,000-pound axles. You also have to take into consideration the pen weight. All the weight is not on the axles. Part of it's on that front landing gear system or on the truck when it's traveling. So you've got a couple thousand pounds of leadway between the gross weight and the dry weight of the actual camper for packing supplies. Be sure to check out more of Couch's RV Nation's information at couchesrvnation.com. They're one of the largest internet wholesale dealers in the country. Will definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV. My name's Ray. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call. 888-417-8299, extension 203. I'm one of the sales guys here. We're going to walk up toward the front of the coach here. We've got a monitor panel system here, light switch, water heater and water pump switch. Water heater on electric is actually outside. Remote control here for some of your slides, landing gear, and light and awning. But slide out button here, slide out button here, slide out button here, awning buttons. So you got a lot of different controls. The bedroom slide control is in the bedroom. Freestanding dinette. Gives you 4 chairs. They do have some storage under there. And you got a nice decorative light up top. L-shaped island kitchen. Got your electric box, your propane leak detector, and an electric outlet there. Ceiling fan switch, which is an option, and the air conditioner controls and furnace controls here. The unit does have the LG high mat countertop. It's got the flush undermount stainless sink there. Nice pull around sprayer faucet. Full extension ball bearing drawer guides. It's got a pretty good amount of storage in it overall. Some more drawers down here. And some storage under the island. It's probably a little hard to see, but Pretty good amount of storage underneath of there too. You have the nicer Euro hinges on the cabinet doors. Has the roller shade blinds, so they're like a vinyl material instead of a cloth pleated shade. A little easier to keep clean, a little more hyperallergenic. Electric outlet here. There's also a light here and another light on the stove exhaust there. The residential refrigerator is a 10.7. The standard is a 6 cubic foot gas electric refrigerator. You can still option in the 8 cubic foot if you want on the electric gas system. Most people are going to this 10.7, which runs on electric or inverter battery power while you're traveling down the road. Little decorative handle going up there. Your TV antenna crank handle here. Second air. Both sofas will make into beds. They're trifold sofas. Nice big 50-inch flat screen TV. Electric fireplace, which is basically an electric space heater. And you got the Furrion AM/FM DVD stereo system here. Decent amount of storage here. In-floor ducted heat, and then your air conditioning is ducted through the ducts running down both sides of the camper here. Theater seat with cup holder and storage here. Going on back to the back area here, we've got the bathroom. So, wall switch here. Got a little trash can area there. Foot flush toilet. It's got the glassed-in shower with the seat. And it can be used as a small tub if you've got little kids. So that is probably about 5 or 6 inches deep roughly, if you wanted to use it as a little tub. And this is the cool part. This actually takes you upstairs to the little loft area. They've got little shelves back there, electric outlet back there on each side. Little cubby there. In the center section here from the floor to the ceiling is about 34 inches. The mattresses are roughly 38 inches wide. There are TV hookups up there if you wanted to mount a TV up here. You do have another little cubby back here. But a great little area for the kids. And it does have a grab handle going up and down the hallway right there. And back into this section here, this takes you into the master bedroom. You're technically stepping down into that because of that drop frame back here. There's a light switch and your bedroom slide out switch right here. Got 6 dresser drawers. Room for a nice flat screen TV there if you want to put one up here. Again, the drawers are full extending ball bearing drawer guides. Decent amount of room to walk around the beds. It's a big TV box, but there is an electric outlet down there. Plenty of room to get around and make the beds. Little area here has a hanging bar there. Also another hanging bar up here. Air conditioning ducts down through here and another spot over there on the ceiling. Got little nightstands on both sides of the bed. Lights on each side up there. This is the upgraded Denver mattress that they're using. This does actually raise up for storage underneath of here. Nice amount of room here. And in this closet, you can use this as a hanging closet, or we ordered it with washer dryer prep. So you got a closet bar there, you got water line hookups, drain lines, electric outlet there. And then it does kind of go back underneath the step area a little bit too. But you can do a combo washer dryer in here if you want. Again, my name's Ray with Couches RV Nation. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call. We've got some more of these new 19s on order right now. If you have anything that you got questions on, give me a call. 888-417-8299, extension 203.